Good evening dear students. Welcome to the excellence tutorial. This is the lecture number 2 about tenses. Okay. Before this lecture I have already uploaded lecture number 1 regarding tenses. Okay. And in that lecture we have discussed in detail how to create the sentence, how many types of the tense. Okay. And what is the subform of the tenses. Okay. Just recall what we learned in our previous lecture. Okay. We have seen or the learn about the types of the tenses. So there are mainly three types of the tenses: present, past, and future. Okay. Subform of the tense, that one is the indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. Okay. Also we have learned about the singular subject and the plural subject. Okay. We have discussed in detail about the present indefinite tense. So there are the we have also discussed about the affirmative sentence. Okay. So in this chapter, in this lecture, we are going to discuss negative sentence and also interrogative sentence. So what is that? We will see. Okay. So before that, before start our this lecture, I request to you, if you like our channel, if you that one is beneficial for you for your educational improvement. At that time, you have to subscribe our channel, like also share. Okay. Just start our today's lecture. Okay. First, we are going to discuss about the negative sentence. Negative sentence. Okay. For creating the negative sentence, we have to use one word, that is not. Okay. When we are putting or the mention not, we will see. Okay. So not. Not is a negative sense word. Negative sense word. Okay. So what is the structure of the negative sentence? Okay. We will see subject plus helping verb plus not plus main verb plus object. This is the particular structure of the negative sentence. Okay. When you are creating the negative sentence, at that time you have to follow the structure of the sentence. Okay. Getting? So we are talking about the primary verbs. Okay. For creating the negative sentence, we must be take the help from the primary verbs. So mainly there are the three types of the primary verbs. Okay. First one is the do, second one is the have, and third one is the be. So every primary verb is further divided into three parts. Okay. We will see what is that. First form of the verb, that is the do. Second form of the verb, that one is the did. And third form of the verb, that is done. Okay. So also have further divided into three parts. First one is the have, second one is had, and third one is also had. Okay. So when you are bifurcate be primary verb, at that time first form of the primary verb, that one is a be, is a is, am, and are. Okay. Second form of the be is the was, were. Okay. And third form of the be, that is the be. Okay. We are talking about the type of action. It means the tense. Okay. So you must be take the help or the use the subform of the verbs. Okay. Subform of the verbs. So how many types of the primary verbs? There are three types of the primary verbs. Which one? Do, have, and be. Okay. Getting a little bit. Okay. We will see what is the use and how we have to use that primary verb and subform of the primary verb in the sentence. Okay. So first we have to observe the structure of the negative sentence. Okay. What is the structure of the negative sentence? Subject, helping verb plus not plus main verb and plus object. Okay. I am writing here one example. She is not writing a letter. Okay. This one is the negative sense sentence. Okay, when you read, she is not writing a letter. Okay, what is the bifurcation of this sentence? We will see. What is she? She is the subject of the sentence. Okay, what is a helping verb of a sentence. What is not? That one is the negative sense word. Okay, what is writing? That one is the main verb. What is a letter? Object of the sentence. Object of the sentence. Okay, so using this structure, okay, we are going to create the negative sentence. Negative sentence. Another one more things, when you are talking about the negative sentence, at that time we have to take the help of the subform of the do helping verbs or the do primary verbs. Which type of sentence we have to create? Okay, so I am writing here one example. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. Okay, so for creating the negative sentence, okay, according to this structure or according to this sentence, okay, what we have to do? We have to observe this structure and this sentence. Okay, which things is the missing in this sentence we will see. Okay, so here is subject is present, verb is main verb is present, and object of the sentence also is the present. Object of the sentence also is the present. Okay, so here is not mentioned the helping verb and also not. Okay, what is the clarification? Okay, which helping verb we have to use for the creating the negative sentence. Now we will see, okay, how we have to create the sentence with the help of the primary verbs, subform of the primary verbs. Okay, so first we have to observe the rule. What is the rule for creating the sentence? Okay, so for the singular subject, we have to use helping verb plus V1 plus S or ES. Getting or not? When you are talking about the plural subject, at that time you have to use helping verb plus V1 only. Okay, getting little bit. So what is the structure of the negative sentence? That one is the subject, helping verb, not main verb and object. Getting or not? What is the previous example? That one is he writes a letter. He writes a letter. Okay, when we convert into negative sentence, okay, that one is the positive sentence. When we convert into negative sentence, okay, so first we have to take the help from the primary verbs. Okay, first because in this sentence there is not present helping verb. For that purpose we have to take the helping verb from the other side. Other side means from the primary verbs. Okay, so when you write he, okay, first form of the primary verb, first form of the primary verb, that is the do. Okay, he do, okay, plus S or ES. It means he does. Afterwards we have what we have to add, that one is a not. He does not. Okay, plus main verb. What is the main verb? That one is a right. Okay, another plus object of the sentence. What is that? A letter. Getting or not? Okay, what sentence we have created with the help of the primary verb? That one is he does not write a letter. Okay, so dear student, there is the one mistake or the one problem in this sentence. When you reading this sentence, okay, we will see what is the mistake in this sentence. Okay, so he does not write a letter. Okay, one thing you must be observed. Okay, so when you are adding with a do or the helping verb, okay, yes or es, getting or not? So afterwards in any condition we have to no need to add with a v1 plus s or es. So you have to write here only first form of the verb, that one is the v1. What is the v1? That one is the right. So what is the correct sentence is there? What is the negative correct sentence is there? That one is the he does not write a letter. Okay. So here is also singular subject. Okay. What is the rule? When you are talking about the singular subject, at that time you have to use v1 plus s or es. But okay, when you are using the helping verb, that one is the s or es. Already we have added here s or es. So no need to add again the next verbs. Okay, so that one is the particular example of the negative sentence. Okay, I hope you have understood little bit how to create the negative sentence. Okay, afterwards we will see what is the interrogative sentence. So let's go with the interrogative sentence. Okay, interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence is further divided into two parts. Okay, first one is the close-ended and second one is the open-ended. Okay, so dear students, about the interrogative sentence, okay, I have already uploaded one video about the types of the sentences or the kinds of the sentences. Okay, if you have any problem regarding the sentences, how create the sentences, what is the rules regulation of the sentences, at that time you have to visit our channel. Otherwise I will mention in our I button. You have to click there and watch that particular videos or the lectures. Okay, let's just discuss about the close-ended and the open-ended question. Okay, when you are talking about the close-ended question, at that time that question will be begin from the helping verb. Okay, and when you are talking about the open-ended question, at that time you have to start or the begin that particular sentence from the question word. Okay, first we are going to discuss about the close-ended question. And what is the speciality of the close-ended question? That one is answer will be coming from your side. That one is a one word, yes or no. And when you are talking about the open-ended question, at that time you have to give answer in briefly. Okay, so we will see what is the structure of the close-ended question. Okay, so first we have to add the helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object of the sentence. This is the structure of the close-ended question. Okay, helping verb, subject, main verb and object of the sentence. Okay, I am writing here one example. Helping verb. Okay, for example, does he writes a letter. Okay, at last you have to put the question mark. Now in our previous sentence, okay, I have clear you. Okay, when you are adding the yes or es with the first verb, okay, at that time we have to no need to add the yes or es with another verb. So what is the correct sentence is there? Does he write a letter? Okay, getting or not? This is the close-ended question. Okay, so you have to read that particular sentence. What it does? Does is a helping verb. What is he? Subject of the sentence. What is right? V1. That is a letter is the object of the sentence. This is the particular structure or the creating the sentence of a close-ended question. Okay. What is the open-ended question? We will see. Okay. So what is the structure of the open-ended question? At that time we will see. Okay. First we have to use question word. Question word. Okay. Plus subject plus main verb plus object of the sentence. Okay. This is the structure of the open-ended question. Okay. So what is the example of the open-ended question? We will see. Okay. According to this sentence. Okay. So I am writing here question word, that one is the what. Okay, then subject he, then main verb, that one is the write, writes, then object of the sentence, that one is the letter, a letter. Just see here and read this sentence. Okay, what we wrote here, what the written down here. Okay, what he writes a letter. Now tell me one thing. Okay, what is the question? What is the question? Which question we want particular? So what he writes. Okay, that one is the enough for asking the question. What he writes. Okay, what which type of answer coming from your side, that one is a letter. So when you are adding the object of the sentence or the in this sentence, at that time that one is a super plus. Okay, no need to add the object of the sentence when you are asking the open-ended question. What he writes, that one is the question, and a letter is the answer of the question. Okay, such a type of the open-ended and close-ended question you have to create. Okay, with the help of the both structure of the sentences. Okay, so dear students, so this is enough for today, and I hope so you have understood how to create the sentences with the help of the tenses. Okay, so in this lecture, if you have any doubt, any problem regarding these tenses, okay, so how create the sentences with the help of the tenses, okay, you have to comment in comment box. Okay, another one more thing, if you like our channel, if you like our videos, that one is the essential for the beneficial for your educational improvement. At that time you must be subscribe our channel, like also share. Okay, thank you so much, have a nice day.